August, Texas. Police to West Jam. You see, I know it. How the chick makes me feel as much fun. So I know that shit. It makes me a menace. This side, but at the end of the day, and if you been shit, then hey, do you ash? Because I'm all gas, no breaks with it. Y'all like me? You need a BFT, and my God, you ain't a BFT. I dropped her right there in your big fat mopped head. You reached out, grabbed a load of good flip because that's nasty for them to capitalize. Look at that, you were able to beat me right in the middle of that ring. It's so close to that number. You can have anybody, any night, anybody can get it. But you got to understand something. I walked back there and everybody says, man, you had a hell of a match at WrestleMania. Come on, just 1%. Dude, I'm worried about having a hell of a match, and I'm worried about winning. I'm about taking that championship, and if you can't understand what I'm saying, is what my rematch and talking right now. And Minster, the next plan was challenge John Cena for the world title, and then Randy Orton jumped the line, saved Randy Orton. I beat 3 weeks ago. I'm starting to wonder if everybody's a World Wrestling Entertainment or Napple Wrestling Entertainment. Speaking of which, your high bloodline. Yeah, okay. Let's talk about. You don't have to talk about what the 6 was. Okay, see you in a second. At D21, the number 6. I think I got Walter in the fix. I watched them. I'm in the thick of it. You're in the same guy. He's in my hand. Whopper. Junior Double McIntyre. Flamer wants to fight the toughest dog there. Less than Mayo catch. I want to fight the fattest champion. I don't want that possible fight with Jacob. My way. I want to fight. Shine the fuck blah. Somebody wake me up. This mush mouth is done. Always with the jokes, and always with the jokes.